What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm going to quickly show you how to activate your eSIM here on your iPhone device. So eSIM basically is the new technology which allows you to have your normal network or connect to your carrier without the need of a physical SIM, right? Nowadays, you do not need physical SIMs. We're going all digital, and we have a few scenarios or a few places where we have iPhones completely digital without even the physical tray here at the right, okay? So do not worry, I'm gonna show you how you can easily set up a brand new eSIM. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I help you fixing tech-related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So first things first, the process is quite easy. We'll hop here into cellular right here in your settings, okay? If you're here in your homepage, tap on settings once and then scroll down all the way to cellular and tap once on cellular. So once you're here, as you can see, I already have an eSIM set up. But in your case, if you do not have, or if you simply want to add an extra eSIM so you can switch your numbers every time you travel abroad or something like that, all you need to do is simply tap here on Add eSIM real quick, okay? Tap once on Add eSIM, and then it should take you a couple seconds to open up the setup screen. Here we go. We've got setup cellular. You can transfer a phone number from a nearby iPhone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. So next up, what you need to do, you have two ways of setting up, which is quite easy. If you have a different phone here on your right that you wish to transfer that specific eSIM information or data to this one, just keep it close and then simply tap on transfer from a nearby device, okay? So that specific iPhone should be unlocked and with Bluetooth turned on, and that should automatically let you know that it wants to transfer it to here. It's going to show it up in here. Simply transfer real quick. Now, if you're setting up a brand new eSIM that is not coming from any other device, okay, you'll tap here on use QR code. So what happens is normally the carriers should provide you with a QR code that you need to scan. So you need to scan that specific QR code, and then that will be here automatically activated. Now, if there's an issue with that, what you can do is you can also tap here on enter details manually. Okay, I'll just go back once again. As you can see here, enter details manually. You can also tap in here, and then you need to activate by filling in the information manually. Okay, as you can see, we've got in here enter the activation information provided by your carrier. Your carrier is going to provide you an SMDP plus address. You need to fill it in here, and then the activation code, fill it in here. Confirmation code, which is optional, you fill it in here, and then you need to tap on next to finish the setup process. Now, this information, your carrier is going to provide it to you. You just need to call them or contact them from the phone or by going to the store physically and then asking them that specific information to fill it up in here. And once that's done, you're good to go. You've already activated your eSIM real quick. Now, next up, what I would recommend you guys to do once you're done activating your eSIM, okay, going back and back, the next thing I would recommend you guys to do after the setup is done is to tap here on flight mode to turn on flight mode, and then wait for a couple seconds, tap here to turn it back off, just to make sure that your network is actually reset and that you're connected to your carrier's network properly, okay? Because it's the first time you're setting up, so this normally takes a while, okay? A few carriers take 10 minutes, a few take 30 minutes, but I would recommend you guys to do this refresh process in order to make this process much faster and faster. Now, if this doesn't help, what I would recommend you guys to do to make it even faster is to perform a forced restart here on your iPhone. Now, if you have an iPhone which is above an iPhone 8 Plus, okay, for example, if you have iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, iPhone 11 models, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is tap once on volume up, release, tap on volume down, and then press and hold the power button until your phone restarts itself. This is how it goes. Up, down, press and hold the power button. Okay, keep on pressing. I'm not pressing nothing on the left anymore, just on the right. And then after a few seconds, your phone should reboot. Here we go. Let's wait for a couple more seconds. It's rebooting. I'm still pressing my button in here. And once you see the Apple logo, you're going to release your power button and your phone should turn on normally. Okay, here we go. Just wait for a couple more seconds. It's turning on real quick. Here we go. Almost turned on. Okay. Takes a couple seconds. Just be patient. Here we go. Your phone is now turned on. Simply unlock it with your passcode real quick, okay? So once you're done unlocking with your passcode, double check if the network is now connected or not, okay? So this is how you need to do it on iPhone 8 Plus or later models. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus or anything above iPhone 5, in order to perform the forced restart, this is the following process. You will have to press and hold the volume down along with the power button here at the right. Okay, so you need to press and hold both of the keys, okay, for a couple seconds until it restarts. Of course, it won't restart in here. It's opening the emergency call option. This is because on newer models, the process of forced restarting is different. But if you have something close to iPhone 6 or 7, this is how you're going to do it. Now, if you have an iPhone 5 or 5S, which is quite old models of iPhone nowadays, the power button is usually here at the top. If you have one of those with the power button here at the top, what you need to do in order to perform a forced restart is press and hold the power button at the top along with the home button in here. They normally come with a physical button in here, a home button, so you need to press and hold both of the keys simultaneously for a couple seconds until your phone reboots. Now, if you have an iPhone 5 or 6, I would recommend you guys performing this until you see twice the Apple logo. For example, I'm going to show it to you once again, okay? Let me quickly perform a forced restart once again in here, volume up, down, pressing and holding. So you'll need to wait for 2 Apple logos, okay, and not 1. For example, let's quickly see. Here we go. It's going to turn off. Okay, we've got the first Apple logo that it's going to show up right now. Here we go. First Apple logo, it's right here. Wait for a couple more seconds and the second Apple logo should show up real quick. Once you see the second one, release the keys like the physical home button along with the power button here at the top and let your iPhone turn on normally. Okay, so this is the process in order to double check if your eSIM is taking so long in order to set it up and to start using by connecting to your carrier real quick. Now, another thing you can do at last, if it still takes a lot of time, simply hop into General real quick and then scroll down all the way to Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then simply tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. So once you're here, you'll have to tap here on Reset and then simply tap on Reset Network Settings, okay? Tap on Reset Network Settings, type in your password real quick in here. And once this is done, simply tap on Reset Network Settings to reset your network settings to factory settings. This will not disconnect anything. This is just resetting the network settings here and all connections on your phone. Do not worry, it will not delete your eSIM. This is just to double check if everything is fine and that the process should be complete as fast as possible. So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section below so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching Fixed by Shag, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.